Wonderful traders, I bring you good tidings today. As usual, we are trying to try new strategies to make sure that everyone is profitable and to make sure that we minimize losses and we maximize profits. So today what I have decided is the Bollinger Bands, RSI and the Force Index. So these three indicators are going to be a very wonderful combination, and we are going to make sure that I try to explain this as simple as I can. Otherwise, they are not that complicated. So the first thing that we are going to do is best that we start with the settings today. So we are just going to go to the main chart over there. So you click main chart and you look for Bollinger Bands, and then you are going to enter period 150, deviation 2.000, shift 0, apply to close, style make it red with 4 pixel, and then levels leave it like that, and time frames make it all. Then please click save. Then the next thing we are going to do is that we are going to come again to the main chart F over there, and we are going to go to relative strength index, and for the RSI you're going to enter period 1, apply to close, style you can make it white, it's not a problem. And then for the levels, please enter 90, 80, 20, 10, make it 4 pixel and black. And if you don't know how to add the numbers, just go up there and you're going to be sorted. Then click save, and then you're going to go to the indicator window 1 over there. This is the indicator window 1, and then you are going to go for force index. So for the force index, you're going to enter period 13, method symbol, volumes tick, make it 2 pixel, make it green. Then levels leave it like that, time frames make it all, then click save. So now we have done the calibration for our indicators. So now all we have to do is to understand, if you understand the concept of price action, this one is going to be very simple. It's going to be very simple so that everybody can understand. Now let me just give you some tips first. You see, whenever on the force index you are going to find this sign is a sign of price being stagnant or price is ranging. So if price is ranging, you are going to meet something like that on the force. So if ever you keep on end of seeing things like that on a force, it means price was ranging at that point. So what we want are things like this, which are certain. You see price hitting here, you see price hitting there, and then you see price movement, and then you see price movement, you see price. So that is what we want, that is what we love, that is how we are going to be entering trades when we get to this. So let me just make a quick illustration. You can see that our price over here has reached the 20 line level, meaning it's at this point. So you are going to enter your buy trade when price gets there, because this is telling you that there is a high resistance of price, so price cannot get any lower than this. That's why price is like that at that point. Remember what I want to do, or what you are supposed to do here. This is the 15-minute time frame, meaning we are just here to make quick profits. Increase your lot size. Remember, the higher the risk, the greater the reward. So don't risk with money that you cannot afford to lose. Now we've entered our first trade at that point. Our price is there. We start buying, and price coming to reach here. That is where we now have got to open our eyes. And if you see this, if I was going to zoom in over here, you're going to notice that there was almost like a straight line or a solid line, meaning that price was ranging. And now if ever you are going to see that now price has hit the second band, and now we've got a double or a two consecutive bearish candles, or we've got a bearish engulfing candle, it means now price has changed course. It means now we can enter a different one. It means now we bought here, so here it was buy, now we are going to sell. Remember I said we are making quick profits. So, and we are just playing around with price. So price coming back down here, or let me just clear everything. Let me clear this so that I can begin to illustrate well again. So now you can see price is coming back here on the first band, on the second band, and price, this is where we sold, so that was our sell. We have to enter another buy here, and as for the first one, we have taken our profits for that one, we have closed it, and for the second one, we close it when we get to this point over here. And now we are waiting for price to go back up. Remember, I said if you just understand the concept of price action, this one is going to be very, very easy for you, because this thing just needs you to be watching price. The three bands that you see over here, these are the Bollinger Bands: the first, the weekly, and the bottom one. So if price is up here on the first one, that is where we anticipate to sell. If price is here on the bottom one, that is where we anticipate to what? To buy. So that is where we buy. And if price is from the weekly to the down one, we sell again. So either way, we are just all about that on this one. It's really not that complicated. You can see price coming be above the 80 line level here. At that point, now it's telling us that we have got to enter a sell trade. So price movement is going down. Remember, this is the 15 minutes time frame, so price has been going down, like you can see on the force here. So price is going down, so price went down there, and now it's at the 10 line level. And when price begins to change course, we are going to begin to buy again, because now price is going to be bullish. So guys, this thing is really easy, is really simple, because the way I'm trying to explain it, in a way that everybody can understand it. So long as you know that when price has been bullish, when it gets to the top and it begins to face resistance, it means price is going to be selling. And if price has been selling for March, now when it gets to the bottom, you know that price is going to be buying, unless you see this type of movement down here. So if you see this type of movement down here like this one, really that one is not advisable for you to do anything. It means price is ranging, in as much as this is a 15-minute time frame. But if we want to make quick profits, and let me say you are just going to enter your trade at this point over here, and now price has just been, so your price will be ranging on 0, negative, 0.02, 0.04, and it goes back to negative. So you're just going to be wasting your time on that one. Really, you're going to be wasting your time. So look for the movement of price, the real visible movement of price. If ever price comes to the 90 or 80 line level, or the 10 or the 20 line level, you are going to be at a greater risk over there, because you are going to be making profits at least. For instance, over these points, you can see that price came to the 90 line level, price came to the 80 line level, price came to the 90 line level, price came to the 10, price came to the 10 line level again. So on those points, those are key points that you can use on the force, so that you can gladly go up there to confirm, and then you can make your entries like that. What we are using here is the Bollinger Bands, and then we've got RSI, and then we've got force index. So I'm trying to make sure that when market opens, you can try this one maybe on your demo account, or you can just back test it. If it works for you, adopt it, and please send me screenshots. If you've adopted this one, make sure you send me a screenshot, you send me evidence of you trying it, because I want to know if it works for you too. So I was just trying this one out, and I was just willing to give it out to you for free. Absolutely, as I promised that I'll be giving you strategies, because we are trying to accommodate everyone here, and this is on mobile. Someone just commented and said, why are we using mobile? Why am I using a phone to trade? My friend, come on. Come on. We are way past that now. So I'm using my phone, and there is no excuse. There is really no excuse. Check this one out, adopt it. If it works for you, you can take it this week. Be ready to work. So see you guys very soon again. Thank you.